Today we go on a road trip, put the Irrational International away, and start working on the dodgeball. Sasquatch in the background. Sweet. There's a few things we wanted to come back and get off this chassis. A couple of them were the cab mounts, these steps, and we also want to get the radiator mount. Now, originally we were going to unbolt these or grind rivets off, but things are pretty corroded and some of it's actually welded on. So let's bust out the Sawzall, make some quick time because we're in a little bit of a time crunch. Oh, good morning. Hey, how'd you sneak up on us? Where's your ear protection?
Oh yeah, that's at home. We didn't know what you were doing.
Future Roy garage mechanic right there.
Yep, start him young. Buttered it.
Just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop, drop down, snap, and then after that, you just drop in, just ride the barrel and get pitted.
All right, one more. Deadsies. Hey, there's one. Hey, let's grab this stuff and run. End up going this back way here, you know. I've got everything strapped down, ready to rock and roll. We have our front clip strapped down. I think we're sitting pretty good. We have a couple extra pieces inside here, a couple pieces, the hood in the back of the truck. Now let's see if we can turn this 3-hour drive into a 4-hour drive, I guess. All right, cab's here, everything else is in the garage. This thing's strapped down, ready to rock and roll. Kaylee's here, look at that thing, look at that little, woo, woo.
Okay.
All right, Leroy, we ready to hit the road?
Yeah.
Let's hit it. We got in last night, it was a little late, decided to call it a night, so we waited till the next morning. Here we are. Last thing we need to do is put this International back into storage. All right, we're about to, oh, you're good. I just lost all my momentum to try and get over that first hump. All right, break them. Yeah, we're good. Nice and easy. Turn a little bit to your left. There you go, that's good. Ooh, oh, dang it. There we go. Okay, we're about to hit the, okay, beautiful. All right, hold up. I kind of want you to roll through this last little bit because we might have the hitch to go over. So, let loose. There it is, baby. All right, I think that should be good, shouldn't you? One final thing left to do is get this bad boy in the garage. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Roy Garage. If you want to follow our journey as we turn this 48 Dodge into a big wheel 4x4 monster, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Bumper, bro. Good bumper in the back.
My bumper doing what?
Bouncing around.
But what do you mean bouncing around?
You have a bumper in the back of your
Oh,
El Camino.
jeez. I forgot I put that there. I was like bouncing around. I just bolted that bumper in, bro.